Merhaba, Navê Maria'yê ji Îtalyayê. And also as internationalist friends, we had the possibility to read the new Manifesto for Peace in a Democratic Society that arrived from the philosophical commune of Imrani. I think that one of the most important concepts that we can find inside the new manifesto is the one of the dialect, because I think that especially now, as a young woman, we are living inside the capitalistic modernity that really attack us by a lot of sides, and especially is attacking a lot our emotion. And I think that in this moment, the emotion inside the capitalistic modernity are made absolute. And we know that also like the absolutism is something that really negates the life. And we can also see, for example, that through these attacks, our emotions are making us stuck, are making us not answering in front of all the violence that we are seeing. Through the capitalistic modernity, the disillusion is spread more and more. And we can see that the mentality that is used by the capitalistic modernity is the same of the caste killer mentality. And is a mentality that really wants to kill our souls, to kill our emotion, kill our bodies also. And we can see this mentality embodied by Elon Musk, by Trump, by Daesh. And this is the same mentality that also create the increasing of the mental and alimentary disease, but also the increasing of the suicide, the feminicides. Even if the attacks are so much big, we have to see the dialectic in everything. And especially Reberti in the new manifesto say that in the time of meaninglessness, there are opportunities of explosion of meaning. And in this time of losing of meaning, the new manifesto is really a defense of it, a defense of what Reberti is teaching us is really to see again the values of the life, to see again the beauty of the life, and in this sense also to build inside ourselves this will to struggle for the world, for the universe, for the nature. And now our role is also to understand how to embody the communist woman. And who is the communist woman? Is the one that really understand how to embody inside of herself the ethic and aesthetic. And we know also that around all the world there are so many projects in which the life is based on this spirit, on the spirit of the communist woman. And so, for example, we can see it in the village of the woman in Jimbar in Rojava, but also in the village of Ujoma in Kenya, but also in a lot of other projects around all the world. Rever Up through the manifesto is also giving us a really big responsibility, especially as internationalist friends, because we know that this is the time in which we have really to build the new internationalism on the base of building a connection between all the democratic forces around all the world that really want to struggle. So what we can say is that the manifesto is not just for the Kurdish society, but it's a gift that the Refer is giving to all the humanity and to all the human. And so we know that around all the world we are also working the same path. And in this sense, we want to wish success to all the people that have the wish to really create a life that is based on the commune and on the communal values. And Bêjing Medyayê and Jineke Komînal.